To establish if your solar system will qualify for approval and registration, quite a bit of information is required. First of which is your inverter. Is your inverter on the list of approved inverters, NRS 097 list of approved inverters? When inverters are imported in South Africa or manufactured locally, they are exposed to stringent tests, NRS 097 tests. And if they do pass all these tests, they will then be issued with a compliance certificate, compliance with the NRS 097. If your inverter is not on this list of approved inverters, extra hardware can be installed to bring the system up to standard, but that obviously will incur extra cost. It will be for your pocket. Other limitations such as total system capacity, system size, charging current capability, and also a balance of three-phase systems, that could disqualify your system from approval. Your system must be issued, when it was installed, must be issued with a certificate of compliance by an installation electrician. That installation electrician should have checked safety components, protection components, cable sizing, etc. And only if you have such a certificate of compliance, then your system might be ready for approval and registration. We love the earth.